Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update the LastPass browser extension on Chrome. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Google Chrome on your computer. Locate the three vertical dots in the top right corner of the browser. Click on those three dots to open the menu. From the menu, select More Tools. In the sub-menu that appears, click on Extensions. You will be directed to the Extensions page. On the top right of this page, enable developer mode by clicking the toggle switch. Once developer mode is active, you will see additional options appear. Look for the Update button near the top left corner. Click the Update button to automatically check for updates to all your installed extensions. Wait a few seconds while Chrome updates the LastPass extension if an update is available. After updating, locate the LastPass extension in the list to ensure it's running the latest version. If you need to manually check for updates, click on the LastPass extension to access its details. Click on Details to view more options. Scroll down to review the version number. If it is not the latest version, return to the Extensions page. Here, you can uninstall and then reinstall the LastPass extension if necessary. To uninstall, click the Remove button next to the LastPass extension. Confirm the removal when prompted. Then, head to the Chrome Web Store. Search for LastPass in the store's search bar. Click on the LastPass extension in the search results. Select the Add to Chrome button to reinstall it. Wait for the extension to download and install. Once installed, you may need to log back into your LastPass account. Check that the LastPass icon appears in the upper right corner of your browser. You have now successfully updated the LastPass browser extension on Chrome. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.